Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Me Viju Indian YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing this Amazon portable blender. Let's see what's inside the box. The packaging looks neat and this blender comes with USB charging. Wow, it looks really compact and lightweight. Perfect for smoothies, juice and milkshakes on the go. ಮೊದಲು ವಾಟರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let's check how smoothly it blends plain water, whether everything works properly. ಈಗ ಬನಾನಾ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶುಗರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನಾನಾ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಶೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let's see how creamy the result is. The milkshake looks smooth and delicious. This portable blender easy to use and easy to carry and simple for all. If you enjoy this unboxing and test video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to It's Me Viju Indian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.